This is day 2 of Hispanic Heritage Month, and today we went around the school asking students how many countries in the world speak Spanish.
1? Is it like 18 or 20?
How many countries is it in the world? Like 50.
24?
29.
15.
21.
There are 21 Spanish-speaking countries in the world. Some are Mexico, Guatemala, Spain, and many more.
Good morning, Lewisburg. I'm Ainsley Bright, and this is Patriot Vision for Wednesday, October 2nd. Last night, 11 senior volleyball players were honored at the game against Regents. This has been a great season, ladies. Playoff information for the Lady Patriot volleyball team will be announced later this week. 9 weeks exams begin today in 3rd and 4th block. Good luck, everyone! Tomorrow, during Patriot Time, graduate services will be at LHS to speak with seniors during Patriot Time. If you have late arrival, please make plans to attend. Who's Who students need to return permission slips to Miss Wiseman by the end of the day today. If you have not picked up your permission slip, pick it up ASAP. Yesterday, seniors were able to attend a college career fair at the Landers Center. Here's Macy with the details.
Yesterday, seniors traveled to the Landers Center for a college fair field trip. Many college representatives came and set up a table to inform students about their school and what they had to offer. We had colleges locally such as Ole Miss and Mississippi State, and we had colleges out of state such as Vanderbilt and Arkansas State. Multiple different careers came and showed a little bit of what their job looks like. Highway Patrol was also there to remind students the importance of wearing a seatbelt. We also had paramedics and the fire department show us the importance of their career and some things they do every day. We enjoy getting to learn more about colleges and all the opportunities that they have to offer. Thank you to Soto County Workforce Development for putting on this event. For Patriot Vision, this is Macy Martin.
Okay, Patriots. COTC's goal of $1,500 is, well, not even close to $1,500. We only have a couple more days, and we are challenging students and teachers to give what you got. The 9th grade class is still in the lead. The QR code is on the screen now and scrolls on the daily slides all day long. You can also find a link in COTC's bio on Instagram. Take a moment, scan the QR code, and donate what you can. Make sure you put your grade level in the personal notes section so we know what class to credit. Remember, the winning class gets a pizza party after fall break. And to bring more attention to donating, today, during Patriot Time, we followed the snack cart around and had a special challenge for students. Check out what happens by going to our Instagram or TikTok. In College Week news today, help is being provided for student FAFSA ID and Mississippi financial aid during lunch in the library. Tomorrow, seniors should wear their favorite college gear. Friday is College Application Day. Help will be provided during Patriot Time and lunch in the library. Tomorrow night, COTC is sponsoring a bonfire from 6:30 to 8:30. Students are encouraged to bring their dinner, play games, and sign the banner encouraging athletes in their fall season. Here's Mr. Atkins with more details.
Unfortunately, Mr. Atkins is not here to tell us about the bonfire, but here's what we know. The bonfire will be hosted by COTC tomorrow from 6:30 to 8:30. It will be in the back complex behind LHS, near the track and baseball field. This will be a gathering to celebrate our fall sports as they start playoffs. COTC will also be taking up donations for the St. Jude fundraiser through the QR code on the graphic. You might want to bring a lawn chair or blanket, as well as something to eat. There will not be food provided. This is all of the information for right now, but stay tuned for more. For Patriot Vision, this is Maddie Reynolds.
We have 3 tryout announcements. Bowling tryouts are this afternoon at 4:30 p.m. at Strike Zone. You must have a current physical to try out. If you have questions, see Coach Ham. Second, archery tryouts are on October 3rd in the LHS gym. You must have a current physical to try out. If you have your own bow, you may bring it. Otherwise, the school has one you can borrow. If you want to try out, please go to the office and sign up. Lastly, wrestling tryouts are on October 17th in the LIS gym at 3:30. You must have a current physical to try out for the sport. Also, see Coach Gilbert in A13 if you have questions. And finally, good luck to the 10th and 11th grade students taking the PSAT today. Thanks for watching and have a great day.